9 Best Shopify Themes for Clothing Brands in 2025. Style that sells. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle, where we show you how to make your store look like $1,000,000 and sell like it too. Now if you run a clothing brand on Shopify, listen up. You already know, fashion is about vibe, visuals, and first impressions. And if your store doesn't capture that feel in the first 5 seconds, it doesn't matter how fire your outfits are. Your visitors are gone. That's why in today's video, I'm giving you the 9 best Shopify themes for clothing brands in 2025. Themes that are fast, stylish, and optimized to show off your drip and close the sale. Let's jump right in. 1. Prestige. For luxury fashion and premium brands. If your clothing line is high-end, your website needs to feel like a designer showroom. Prestige is built for luxury brands. It features clean typography, editorial-style image layouts, hover effects, and built-in lookbooks. Perfect for high-fashion, boutique, or upscale streetwear brands that want that luxury aesthetic. 2. Impulse. For stylish brands that want to scale. Impulse is one of the most popular paid themes on Shopify, and for good reason. It lets you showcase collections, flash sales, promo banners, product highlights, and more, all while keeping the design clean and professional. If your fashion brand is ready to scale and look sharp doing it, Impulse is a beast. 3. Motion. For dynamic, trendy, visual stores. Got streetwear, activewear, or bold graphics? Motion brings your store to life with smooth animations, scroll effects, and modern layouts that feel like you hired a developer, even if you didn't. Great for brands targeting Gen Z, creatives, or visually driven audiences. 4. Broadcast. Perfect for influencer or creator-led brands. If your clothing brand has a face behind it, maybe you, a model or influencer collabs, then broadcast is your theme. It blends product showcasing with storytelling, testimonials, video banners, Instagram feeds, and more. Ideal for personal brands, lifestyle merch, or content-driven fashion businesses. 5. Expanse. For clothing stores with big collections. Running a fashion superstore with tons of styles, sizes, and colors? Expanse gives you smart navigation, product filtering, and big collection layouts to handle large inventories without making the store feel overwhelming. It's clean, fast, and optimized for stores with big product catalogs. 6. Highlight. For minimalist, editorial vibes. Less is more, especially for boutique brands, slow fashion labels, or sustainable clothing. Highlight focuses on imagery, white space, and product storytelling. It's got a classy feel, and works great for showcasing fabric quality, values, and mission-driven design. Perfect for niche brands that want a quiet but powerful impact. 7. Avenue. For discount fashion and quick browsing. Selling on volume or variety. Maybe fast fashion, deals, or flash drops. Avenue is made for shoppers who like to browse quickly. It supports bulk filtering, mega menus, and quick add-to-cart features, helping you move units fast. Ideal for discount clothing stores or general fashion with lots of SKUs. 8. Fashionopolism. Bold, sleek, and built to convert. If you want your clothing brand to feel bold, edgy, and confident, Fashionopolism is a great pick. With striking typography, full-screen sliders, and strong CTA placements, this theme helps drive focus to key products and promotions. Perfect for brands with a statement identity. Think streetwear, techwear, or alternative fashion. 9. Studio. Free and creative friendly. For starters. Just getting started? Want something that's free and still looks stylish? Studio is a Shopify free theme with a playful modern look. Perfect for handmade apparel, art-inspired brands, or experimental aesthetics. It includes creator profiles, modular layouts, and homepage storytelling sections, all at zero cost. Let's wrap it up. If you run a clothing brand, your Shopify theme needs to do 3 things. Make your style look premium. Guide your customer journey effortlessly. Convert browsers into buyers, without distractions. These 9 themes help you do exactly that. Whether you're selling luxury, streetwear, vintage, or custom fashion. Here's a quick recap. Prestige. for luxury, elegant brands. Impulse, high-performing, scalable fashion stores. Motion, visual, modern, animated vibes. Broadcast, creator/influencer-led clothing brands. Expanse, large catalogs and collections. Highlight, editorial, minimalist, boutique energy. Avenue, quick shop fashion with filtering. Fashionopolism, bold, conversion-focused layout. Studio, free, stylish, creator-friendly theme. Choose the one that fits your brand's personality, and let it do the selling for you. Let me know in the comments, what kind of fashion are you selling? And which theme are you vibing with the most? If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another Shopify success tip from Dropshipping Hustle. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling smart and dressing your store for conversions.